Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a volume indicator on Metatrader 5. This is a useful tool if you want to see how much trading activity is happening on your chart and understand whether a price move has strong market participation behind it. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your trading interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll find several options for customizing your charts and workspace. Before adding the indicator, make sure the chart you want to analyze is already open, whether it is for Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, or any other market supported by your broker. At the top of the screen, click on Insert. This menu gives you access to various tools and features that you can add to your charts, including different types of indicators that help you analyze market movements and trading volume. The Insert menu is commonly used when you want to add technical tools without changing your main chart layout. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Indicators. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the technical indicators available in Metatrader 5, organized into different categories based on their function and purpose in trading analysis. These categories make it easier to find the right tool, especially when you are working with trend indicators, oscillators, or volume-based indicators. Next, click on Volumes from the list of indicator categories. This specific indicator is essential for traders who want to monitor trading activity and understand the strength behind price movements by visualizing the volume of trades executed. For example, if price is moving upward and volume is also increasing, that can suggest stronger buying interest. On the other hand, if price is moving but volume is weak, the move may not be as strong. Now you'll see a settings window appear, where you can customize how the volume indicator looks on your chart. On Value Up, click the drop-down menu and choose a color that represents increasing volume. This color will be displayed when trading volume is rising, making it easier to spot bullish activity at a glance. Many traders prefer using a bright or clear color here, so increasing volume stands out clearly on the chart. Then, on Value Down, click the drop-down and choose a different color. This color will represent decreasing volume, helping you quickly identify periods of lower trading activity or bearish sentiment. Choosing contrasting colors makes it much easier to read the indicator. For example, you can use one color for rising volume and another clearly different color for falling volume, so you do not have to look too closely while analyzing the market. Next, under the volume section, you'll see an option to choose between tick or real. The tick option measures every price change regardless of volume, while real shows actual traded volume if your broker provides this data. Select the option that best fits your trading strategy and the type of volume data you want to analyze. If you are trading Forex, tick volume is commonly used because many Forex brokers do not provide centralized real volume data. If real volume is available, it can give you a more direct view of actual market activity. Once you've customized all your settings and selected your preferred colors and volume type, click OK to apply the volume indicator to your chart. The indicator will now appear at the bottom of your chart, displaying volume bars in the colors you selected. From here, you can compare volume with price movement to help confirm breakouts, reversals, or strong trend continuation. And that's it! You've successfully added a volume indicator to your Metatrader 5 chart, giving you better insight into market activity. This can help you make more informed trading decisions because volume often shows whether traders are actively supporting a move or whether the market is moving with low participation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.